Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always me, Wrap Virus, and this time I'm saying hi from Norway, Trondheim, Kuradi Automobile vehicle wrapping company, protection company, detailing company to do all kind of stuff. Finn is the guy, Finn is the owner of this company, and we're here to help them to install paint protection film on this brand new first one in Scandinavia, Porsche GT3 RS. Are you ready, Finn?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, so let's do that.
Let's do it.
Well, customer, this owner of the car was super cool guy, and he let us to assemble as many parts as we want. So that's what we're gonna start with this vehicle. It's already clean, prepared. So we're gonna remove some parts and then we're gonna lay some PPF. So let's do it. So we're planning to take wheels off, then we're gonna remove this wing, and this plastic is already off, car coming up. Definitely we will remove a full cap, then mirrors will come off, handle is already off, headlights will stay, bumper will stay, but we will remove this fin, so this plastic will be removed. About this one, we're gonna check it. If we can remove it easily, we're gonna take it off. If not, it's gonna stay. And that's it. And then it's gonna be time to wrap this car. By the way, the spoiler we're gonna leave on the car. We don't wanna deal with this mechanism. It will stay how it is. The assembling on one side is almost finished, so I can start laying some paint protection film. Doors ready, no handle, no mirror. Customer asked to keep original stickers under the PPF. So yeah, this paint protection film from factory will stay there. This GT3 RS matte black sticker will stay there. We're gonna just put PPF over it. And so many parts are off. But in this case, we're gonna be able to hide every single edge. You know, we have customer permission, so that's what we do. So, what are you gonna do next?
I think we're gonna lay these two quarter columns on both sides.
Okay.
You agree?
I will start with the door.
Okay.
So let's lay some film. So guys, at least I have done with this Porsche, but for the guys it's gonna be still a lot of work to do tomorrow and day after. We managed to do front bumper, fender, doors, bonnet, and a lot of disassembling. And yeah, it looks nice. But I need to go, because in a few hours I need to head to Sweden, Göteborg, and I will have like 10 hours drive, more than 10 hours, so yeah, and now it's already like, what, 4 a.m.?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, 4 a.m.
I don't look at the watch.
So yeah, we started this car after like 9 and now it's 4 a.m. So yeah, that's nice. So I hope you're gonna send me final shots when it's gonna be done.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and that's it. And so thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video.